Okay, there's the E. Just keep squirt it all out. Where's Peter? Where is he? Oh, HUD came out. We don't hit our heads. Ooh. Oh, I hit my head. Ouch. Okay, we just went under there. That is so beautiful. And hello, Momma O fans. And Evs wants to know if I can do this. Okay, go. Nope, I cannot. Well, let's see what today brings. It is a Saturday, and they want colored pancakes.
That you're making your own shape.
Yes, that will be fun. Oh, Peter! He's gone. Can you hear all of that noise? Love it. I'm going to get dressed, and then we're going to make those colored pancakes. Kitty!
She's licking me.
Dots. And they love these minky blankets, don't you? Yeah. And you can't sit on here because you'll get stepped on. You blend into the blanket too much. I smell watermelon. You've been wanting this for a couple of days. And Peter too?
And then
You can't eat all of this. Oh, look, we have sunshine today. Oh, the kids get to come out and play in the sunshine. The birds are singing because the sun is shining. Let's take pictures of us. Okay. Are you up in the playhouse? Is it wet up there?
Yeah.
That sun is so bright. Where are you? There you go. Oh, they're loving this. Get to play on the swing set. Henry is happy that he can pump now. He learned it at school, he says. He doesn't walk where the swingers are. So there we go. Oh yeah, wow, look, that's good. Enjoying the sunshine.
Can I see a pit though?
Yeah. Oh, Peter's under here.
Are you making something, Peter?
He's making it. Oh, goodness sakes. You did it. Where's your coat, Evs?
I don't want one.
Oh. 47 degrees. I guess that's pretty nice weather. Watch out for Peter. She says, let's do circus. She goes up and he...
You put your feet on my...
Is that fun, huh? There's a little door. Oh! Oh, he found his little playhouse. Oh, there's 2 doors? This one's your size, huh? There's Peter. Where's Peter? Where is he? Oh, HUD came out to enjoy the sunshine. We don't see it very often here in Oregon, do we?
What I'm wearing.
A ring, CCR ring. What does that stand for? Choose the right. Okay, we made our colored pancakes. And we're going to squirt them out of the bags. Henry, wait till we cut a hole.
Heated.
Is it heated?
Let's get the scissors.
Henry's got to wait his turn. He's being very patient. We only have enough room for so many people over here. Oh, it's looking good. You guys are doing good. Oh, look at the pretty colors.
This one I flipped, but...
Let's take a look at that one. There we go. Okay, flip it back. There. Oh, look at their artwork going on here.
Unicorn rainbow.
Unicorn pancake. And we put names on...
It's
what?
rainbow unicorn pancake.
Rainbow unicorn pancake. Gotcha. Henry's getting his artwork going.
I'm a flipper.
Oh, beautiful.
That's a Christmas
We
tree.
decided to bail on the bags and just do
Watch out.
spoons. There you go.
Okay. You can't
And you're the flipper.
I'm gonna
And these 2 are eating them as fast as they can cook them. You guys aren't cooking them fast enough.
That's one to look at. Flip that. Oh, good. Because it's partial.
Putting their orders in.
It's like a
All right, we're going. Where are we going? Crazy? No, where are we going?
We're going crazy.
We're going crazy. We got our little treat bags for everybody. And we're going to go see the waterfall. Okay.
Let's get this party started.
Let's get this party started. Trees all over, kids all over. Hey, Peter. We're going to the water. He's loving that. There you go. Kind of chilly, but that's how it is in the mountains. Walk across this bridge, pretty river here, where the river runs, moss on the trees. Hud's in charge of pushing the stroller. Charlotte fell down and scraped her knee. Da, 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 da. Look how pretty. Look at this moss. What's moss? I don't know. What's a moss with you? Evie goes, these aren't very good fences. Yeah, they're not very good. Look at these ferns. It's just growing wild here. We drive an hour and a half and here it is. I hope it's bigger than this, but that's still pretty, but another little waterfall. The big one we can hear it. Oh, a little muddy through here. Oh, and here's a little teeny one. Evie says, look, a flush toilet you don't have to flush. Oh, this one's more of a drip. A drip toilet, huh?
Dripper Falls.
Dripper Falls. Oh, there it is. So pretty through here. There's another one. They said it's a clogged toilet, huh? It's still getting out somewhere, though.
Yeah, over there.
Oh, yeah, because it's coming out down here. Here we are. Oh, it's beautiful. Got another little one here. I guess they build this so it doesn't run across the trail. Have it run underground. Are we going to go? Oh, there's some steps to go down over there. Okay, we're going to go down. There's some steps here to help us safely and carefully go down. Oh, is it slippery?
It's okay.
If we just go here. Yeah, it does. That tree's about down. They don't fall on these slippery rocks. That's really pretty. This is a quick stop here. There's a waterfall tucked in there. You can hike to it if you want, but we don't want to. We're going to go to one where you can walk behind it. Oh, here we are. Another waterfall place. Stop at the restrooms. This is cute. Gonna go see if it's open.
Could I see it? Could I have one?
Wait for Mom and Dad to get here. A place to sit. This is so pretty. Oh, hot chocolate stop. How fun is that? So we're going down there, and it has a trail you can walk behind. Oh, catch up. Wow, so majestic. We get to go walk behind it. Hey, we're getting a little wet here. We got to put our hoods on so we don't get our hair wet. We're getting dripped on. Ooh, yeah. Oh, we got to duck down. We don't hit our heads. Ooh. Ow, I hit my head. Ouch. I just said, I did. I said, don't bump your head. We are behind it. Get a little bit wet. That is so awesome. There it is. We are behind a waterfall. Looks the same as in front. But cooler back here. Hey, we're getting out on this side of the waterfall. And watch. Oh, somebody wrote their initials there. Lots of little cubby holes to climb up into. We just went under there. That is so beautiful. Walk across this bridge. Pretty pretty, huh? What's this one called? Silver something. Silver Falls. There's 10 of them. Look how pretty that looks through there. Now to hike back up. This gives you a workout. Yeah, fun going down, but you got to go back up. Over the hill means you're on the fun side of life. We are going up to see this Montessori.
Yeah, look.
Oh, these are praying houses. These little houses here.
And now he's...
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, but I'm
Look at
looking
these prayer
this
houses
pretty
and the
scenery, so when we're
sunset.
at-
Look how pretty it is through here.
That is after they took him off the
Father's
cross.
Day. Mary.
Took him off the cross with Mary. And now they're... Wow, they got a good spot up here.
This is nice.
Yeah.
One of the
Pretty
buildings,
cool.
one of these will have
Look at the pretty flowers Joanna painted. That was fun. My last night here, I head home tomorrow. Wow, it was fun. We had a lot of fun with the kids and stuff. They say, can't you just stay forever? That's cute. I love it when they do that. And Shar go, this is best ever to have Grandma here. Just cute. Okay, here's the quote for today. No matter how hard the past is, you can always begin again. And that's what change is all about, beginning again. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Remember to look for that rose, and let's see what tomorrow brings. Thank you, and good night.
Sometimes I don't know why I'm so in love with you guys. When you break my heart and I fall apart, I still love you. After all you do, you can't break my spirit, and I want you to hear it. That I'm gonna keep on loving you. I'm gonna keep on loving you. No matter what you do or what you say, I'm gonna love you anyway. I'm gonna love you anyway. Sometimes we say some things that we really don't mean. Your words knock me down and I hit the ground, but I still love you, and you know I do. You can't break my spirit, and I want you to hear it. That I'm gonna keep